Taking my dog to the vet.
Hello. Welcome to our clinic. Your dog is very happy.
Thank you.
Can you place him on the table, please?
Sure. He likes sitting here.
Wonderful. First, I will check his weight. He is healthy and strong.
Yes, I take him for a walk every morning.
That is perfect. Daily walks are very important for dogs.
He enjoys walking in the park near my house.
Nice. Now I will listen to his heart.
All right. He is very calm.
His heart sounds very good.
I am happy to hear that. I always want him to feel great.
Next, I will look at his eyes. They are bright and clean.
Yes, he always looks at me with those love eyes.
His ears are also clean. You take good care of him.
I do my best. He is my family.
He loved what you said. Now I will check his teeth.
He likes showing his teeth.
His teeth are strong.
Great. I want him to have a healthy smile.
Now I need to check his paws. They are perfect.
He loves running, so I am glad his paws are okay.
Running is very good exercise. He is in great shape.
Thank you. I keep him active.
Do you have any questions about his diet?
Yes. Should I give him more fresh vegetables?
I think he wants vegetables. They are good treats.
Okay. I can add pieces to his food.
That is a good idea. What food does he eat now?
I give him dog food.
That is a nice routine. Dogs like it.
Yes, he enjoys his meals a lot.
I can see it. Now we will give him his yearly vaccine. It will be quick.
He is brave.
Ready? And done. He did an amazing job.
Wow, that was fast.
He is a very good dog.
Thank you.
He listens to you with attention.
Yes, he is always excited to learn new things.
That is fantastic. Do you need help with anything else?
Maybe you could give me some helpful tips.
Just give him love and a cozy bed.
Oh, he loves it. I will do that.
Great. Also, play sessions during the day are helpful.
We play fetch almost every afternoon.
I think he loves it. That's perfect. It keeps him active.
He gets very happy when he sees the ball.
Dogs love simple things. They are so special.
Yes, he brings joy to my life every day.
I can see your enthusiasm.
Thank you.
I think he agrees with you. Well, the checkup is complete. He is doing very well.
I am so happy with that.
Before you leave, he can choose a treat from this jar.
Oh, he will love that. He likes snacks.
Here you go, buddy. Good job.
Look at him wagging his tail.
That means he enjoyed the consultation.
Yes, he had a great time. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too. Take care and stay good.
Thank you. Bye.